maintain our earlier stand that the constitutional boundary lines fixed in 1951 as per the recommendation of Boundary Commission. Halabang se status quo ante se maintain ng po. Laban lang itong kiklaim, Block 2 ke historically belongs to Yantia Hills. Begitu. Argumenting ke, this is not wrong. This is wrong. This is wide off the mark. Like a chalk shape big law. Block 2 belongs to Karbi Kingdom, which switching as its capital. Non ta Karbi Ariso dak rongarak sidulang. Kalima. Pressure group and successive go for Meghalaya. Now Block 1 and Block 2 belong to Yantia Hills. Historically, this is not wrong. This is not true. This is not true. Why it was transferred to Mikir Hills? There is a big question here. Why there was initial stage of opposition from Punar. Wait. There was opposition. Initially, there was opposition from Punar brothers living in Block 1 and Block 2. But later on, good sense prevailed, and a population survey was conducted, and it was found out that 75%. I am not saying it. It's the census report says, and this census report was prepared by Mr. Kachethan, not by the Karbi officer, by NT officer Kachethan IAS. And in the report says that 75 to 80% of the population belongs to Karbi tribe. So taking comparative Mikir and Punar population into consideration, this area is transferred to Mikir Hills, and the matter ended here.
Here is right and clear. This is one Boithalang.
The matter ended here. Now the question is that, we have no any issue with Mikir people. Only if that constitutional boundary, I call it status quo ante, is maintained, there will be no problem. They are Punars are our brothers, and I call it this is anti-tribal conspiracy. This give and take is an anti-tribal conspiracy.
Border cross pen development ang people development ang men pen pachibong inang ne voter list ang men pachibong inang ne border ang cross pen high claim nang ne सरकार की क्लेम बोलो देंगे सरकार बस पची रुको लगे लसी ला हाय बैंक के बाउंड्री ची क्रॉस सेरोय नंगने ना तुम दची दुवे नो ने तुम दची दुवे नो ना कुके मोहला लगा ची वाई तांग देती के
tiêu sari juga pini la so mai ke bi pon matlom sobet la pen hala so long nangli ko pi agenda main topic ko pi si than non lo la pen reply ko pi si nang pani pi
kali than paju long le der lo ni le mu pen hal tuman nga than alam hai hui le thon ke than do ala hai alam ke than paju long le der lo la sin li ta mang hulo council isi aman ki thedung Karbi Autonomous Council 6 schedule pen si bi council a view anta Kipudun paju longle pulu tante ladake mane Kachingki chingwai ke laka hok belu lasi laso committee ko ansi charbu wepin pen akam papichun jima bangke la bangke protected lo laka manghume melo imitanga dim sa meeting dagado imitanga minister dado Karbi ang longarat lam Kachethan du nangke pajulong senak pu sinang pu dunang ike nije nang nilo punang pun turong ke apo si lada ka bang ke nili tumtam mang hu hak lo